Mini tacos are a fun and delicious appetizer that are perfect for parties, game days, or any occasion where you want to serve something tasty and easy to eat. These bite-sized treats are filled with flavorful seasoned ground beef or turkey, topped with your favorite toppings, and baked until crispy and cheesy. In this recipe, we'll show you how to make mini tacos that are sure to be a hit with your friends and family. So, let's get started and learn how to make these irresistible mini tacos that are perfect for any occasion. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef or turkey, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 24 mini tortilla shells, such as hard taco shells or soft flour tortillas. Toppings of your choice, such as shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, diced onions, sliced jalapenos, chopped cilantro, or sour cream. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large skillet, cook the ground beef or turkey over medium heat until browned and cooked through. 3. Add the chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper to the skillet and stir to combine. 4. Remove the skillet from the heat and set aside. 5. Place the mini tortilla shells on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 6. Spoon a small amount of the ground beef or turkey mixture into each tortilla shell, filling them about halfway. 7. Top each mini taco with your desired toppings, such as shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, diced onions, sliced jalapenos, chopped cilantro, or sour cream. 8. Bake the mini tacos in the preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the tortillas are crispy and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 9. Remove the mini tacos from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious mini tacos.